morning. Today I'm in Alpha Express again, having a luwak white coffee. Actually, I don't fancy luwak, but I kind of miss white coffee, so cheers. No kick leh. Then I've got sandwich pandan cheesecake. Today I'm gonna travel again, this time back to Pelabuhan Ratu first, then take the bus to Bogor. From there, take the commuter back to Jakarta, back to civilization. Wow, so exciting. Looks like the train station is down and I don't have access to any food or toilet, but luckily I have my Snickers with me and a bottle of water. While waiting for the train to get going again, I guess I'll just have to do some work over here. So, finally arrived at Jakarta. The receptionist told me that the power has gone out in Java and Bali for 10 hours. Wow! I have not had my dinner. I've been out since 9 in the morning and arrived at Jakarta in the hotel room now at 12 a.m. I don't think I want to do anything else. I just want to sleep. Good night and don't forget to subscribe. Good morning. Indonesia last day, and I'm in Jakarta right now, central of Jakarta. I just arrived here at 12 midnight. Technically it's today because of the power disruption in Java Island and also Jakarta city and the surroundings. My train was delayed until 9 at night. So despite leaving Ciletu the day before at 9 in the morning, I was hoping to arrive earlier in Jakarta to visit some place, but no. Let's have a room tour. We've got a nice big rack over here. We've got a double bed, of course, very nice, and we've got some big table over here, but you would expect that the PowerPoint would be somewhere here or underneath. There's one behind the TV, but you can hardly access it, so I don't want to touch that. So the next power plug is ta-da, underneath here. So I have to pull the chair over and plug in the power to charge my stuff. Funny thing about this is, ta-da, there's so many surprises here in Indonesia. There is non-stop surprises during my trip in Indonesia. Just look at this. Look at this, oh my god. And what the hell? Please give me a normal room. Please. Oh what the It has overflown. Indonesia, please give me a normal room. Oh my god. And speaking of which, we've got some nice showers over here, no doubt. But am I supposed to have a towel in the room? If you look at this, there's a pricing list for property damage. So we have a TV LED, aircon remote, water heater, shower head, mirrors and tables and bed cover, key card. There's no item for towel here. Does it mean that towel is not included in this room? 不要这样子嘞 This is not a hostel 嘞我要怎样冲凉 Oh my god So I came across this from the desk It says We have taken special care to ensure that your room is perfect How perfect So, welcome to Jakarta city. Finally back to civilization after spending 4 to 5 days in the jungle. So my plan today is we're gonna have brunch. It's 12 o'clock right now. Gonna have some food. I saw this pretty nice cafe just down the street, like 500 meters. After that, probably gonna take a look at the national monument and the mosque, the church, which is pretty nearby. And after that, if I have time, I'll head to Chinatown to take a look. If not, we'll head to the airport by ARL. Yeah, that's the plan today. I'm at the Monas, the national monument, and guess what? Monday is closed. Too bad. So walking back to BNI station, and I think the Grab bike driver lost his way. Maybe he's not around here or having a bad day, whatever lah. The fare was 14k. I gave him 15 instead, and that's why I want to and he took some wrong turn or something like that. Monas was closed, church closed, masjid closed. So maybe Jakarta so far Jakarta has been very eventful. I don't know what to say. I did not proceed to Chinatown because the timing is a bit odd. This is the signboard for the station. So it's supposedly Station BNI City. And look at this design. This is so photographer unfriendly. How am I supposed to shoot this if I want to shoot? I can't see this. This is so tight, not friendly to photographer at all. So, the airport railway ticket, you can get it at 40,000 rupiah, which is what, almost half price. So what I did was went to the website and reserved through it and then paid by credit card. So you only pay for 40,000 instead of 70,000, which is the full price at the station. After you purchase your ticket online, you can print your ticket with the vending machine. You just key in your booking number and you can print your ticket.
Iya, mau original. Original nggak apa-apa.
Hah?
Original nggak apa-apa.
Indonesian KFC, we got small chicken, so small, smaller than advertised cream soup. A little bit spicy also, not half float. Wow. I think I just destroyed my float. See, so small. Normal. think the chicken is very dry มันอร่อยเลย不好吃哎哇你是要打架了嘞 so army with project stressful people.
If you think Klang River is dirty, then I don't know what is this. It is dark green color, almost black.
So just like any other city, you have tall buildings, commercial buildings, and you also have like slums or poor area right beside the city.